Replacing an aging or inefficient system can improve comfort and energy efficiency. When you need to replace air conditioner Mckinney, Texas, factors like unit size, SEER rating, and installation complexity affect the overall cost. TopLevel Cooling and Heating provides expert AC replacement services, ensuring reliable cooling solutions tailored to your home's needs. Contact our specialist and replace air conditioner today for a free estimate. Are you looking for a specialist to replace air conditioner near me? You can stop looking. You found TopLevel Cooling and Heating. Do I need to upgrade my ductwork when I replace air conditioner in Mckinney, Texas? Upgrading ductwork when you replace air conditioner Mckinney, Texas depends on its condition. Leaky, damaged, or improperly sized ducts can reduce efficiency, making replacement beneficial for optimal airflow and system performance. Are there energy-efficient options when replacing an air conditioner in Mckinney, Texas? Yes, when you replace air conditioner Mckinney, Texas, energy-efficient models with high SEER ratings are available. These systems use less energy, reduce utility costs, and improve indoor comfort while meeting modern efficiency standards. What is your replace air conditioner area for the Mckinney, Texas office? Our local replace air conditioner services have helped clients in Mckinney and the surrounding areas, including Frisco, Little Elm, Fairview, Allen, Plano, New Hope, Lowry Crossing, Roland, Melissa, Prosper, Lucas, Parker, Princeton, The Colony, Murphy, Celina, Altoga, Hebron, and Seis Lagos, Texas. Where is your Mckinney, Texas replace air conditioner located? We are located at 6800 Wyckoff Avenue, Suite 150, McKinney, Texas 75070. Our phone number is 833-892-6654. Visit our website, https://toplevelcooling.com/.